Most music producers work like little bitches, and I really mean that. I was actually one of them. Let me just say, we tend to really think that we are privileged due to the nature of our business and that creative shit needs to be done only when we want to. The thing is, the competition is ruthless. Your competition, for example, is me. I'm waking up in 6 hours from now, and I just got back from the gym, got inspired to make this video. I'm making it right now. I already uploaded beats for most of my type beat channels, done like email stuff. I'm your competition. And if you really think that you are like this special snowflake that's gonna just be picked up by algorithm, because you like those videos when you see this thumbnail and the title, this thing will skyrocket your views. This is the secret method for 2026. There is no secret method. There is no like shortcuts. If you want to succeed in business, if you want to, and you have to treat music like it's a business, because if you want to go full time, there is no shortcuts. And I don't really care if this is making loops, making type beats, sending fucking 1000 messages to artists. Do whatever works for you, but just do the fucking work if you want to go full time as producer. And I see many producers just making one beat like 3 days because they just felt inspired that day. Do you actually realize how big the competition is? When you think about the saturation, about the analytics, like you like watching the analytics, right? And obsessing over it. What makes you so secure that you just want to make the beat while you're inspired? I was in the same shoes actually a couple years ago when I was just starting in music and I was feeling like that my music is special. I'm gonna be like this huge artist and huge producer producing for like thousands of views. But you've gotta earn it. And we all strive to do the least work and have like time to travel, have to time to explore ourselves, to make connections, make meaningful friends and relationships. But to achieve this, you have to stand out. You have to make your brand. You have to earn your respect, if I can say that. Watching countless videos about how to make this, how to make that, how to progress with your type B channel, and etc. You need just some fucking, like, to be honest, this is not rocket science. And currently YouTube algorithm doesn't goes in favor. It's very random. What I mean by that, you can go viral one time and your beat can get like huge amount of views, and the next day the next beat can flop, and this happens. So sitting there and like watching your computer obsessing over why my beats aren't performing, just shut the fuck up, bro. Don't waste your time, don't waste your youth, don't waste your potential. If you're struggling with one type beat channel, or you think that this isn't it, just open another. Just like open 5 of them. If you think you cannot manage that, just don't sit and fuck around like watching TikTok, like playing games, doing useless shit that doesn't give you leverage. Like if you really want to make it full time and want real results with your music being heard and doing all the placements, all the stuff, you just gotta do some fucking work, bro. For the years I've been producing, being around other artists, other music producers, other beat makers, I met all like the whole spectrum. And I met some really crazy motherfuckers. You cannot imagine how much ideas go through, how much ideas they have in their heads. But I also met some lazy motherfuckers, and if you want to be one of them, you can really count on your luck and just pray each and every day that you're gonna succeed. But you can skew luck on your side, and you can what do I mean by that? You can give yourself much more opportunities than you think you can. And often I hear people say that my day is like 48 hours, that's not 24, that I get so much shit done. They can't comprehend this. And what I often say, just be in control of your time. If you mean to make progress, if you want to make something happen, just make it happen. Just obsess over it and just dedicate every single moment of your day to that goal, obsess over it, and be like really ruthless with this, bro. Like, let me stress this again. I'm your competition. Many guys, if you see the type beat space, if you type the type beat in your browser, you see many guys. And if you did any market research, there is one thing to take from this, and it's not that it's oversaturated or you are not gonna make it. There are so many people that are competing for the same listeners that you really have to. There is so much competition right now that you have to do your everything and all possible to stand out, to just have a chance. So if you're feeling like giving up, just don't watch this video. Don't watch actually any video regarding that matter, because if you're not willing to put in any amount of work, just like stay in your 9 to 5, just go and try fight with inflation, and just go and type on Reddit comments, YouTube comments, how it is hard for music producers. Because let me just briefly talk about the concept of AI, because I often hear this a lot also. If we as a music producers, as beat makers, are doomed because of AI. And to some extent that is true. To some extent that is not true. Because if you use it to speed up your workflow, to make shortcuts, and to, I'm not talking about like creative use of AI to just pump up songs with Suno AI or something like this. So, because currently it is not a thing. It may be the future, but I don't really fuck with the idea of making music with AI. This grosses me out, I'm being honest. But you can use this, like, for example, code a program, write an email with AI that you might have spent like 1 hour, 2 hours typing this email to like 100% for your current potential, you think. You can do this with AI and maybe like achieve a decent email for like, let's say 70 or 80%. And you spend 5 minutes doing that. We as like intelligent people and people that wanna make something else, we really tend to overthink stuff, and sometimes it is just better to not think at all. My biggest channel to date was actually achieved by not looking at the analytics, not fucking changing each week my title, my tags, my thumbnails, like anything like that. I just stick to one title, made the beats and uploaded them, and to my surprise, there wasn't like any indicator. My beats were just at the right place at the right moment. And there are some tactics to make it work, but most of it is just being out there, showing your beats to other people, just uploading them and just making it work. So if you're gonna take one thing from this video, just don't be afraid and start now, because in a couple years from now, you're gonna regret it that you haven't took the chance, took the leap, and there is a possibility that you're gonna fail multiple times actually, but you will never know if that hasn't happened. As always, put the fucking work. My socials are down below. If you need specific help or if you're feeling overwhelmed, I can help you with anything like fitness, type beats, selling your first beat. Just contact me. My socials are down below. Bye bye.